Murd3r is known as Kshordy. He's a 22-year-old drill rapper from Duval, currently doing 12 years in a Florida prison for possession of a firearm by a juvenile delinquent found to have committed a felony act. He has an extensive juvenile record and a decent music catalog, but he will not be touring anytime soon, as he's also facing a murder charge, 2 attempted murder charges, and another possession of a firearm charge for an incident that occurred on September 28, 2021, where the state of Florida claims Kshordy deleted a young man called NoFace from 187 while he was sitting in a Dodge Charger. Kshordy was set to start trial on December 11, 2023, but his lawyers filed for a delay of his jury trial. The following motion is available on Core. My name's Bobby Smokes. Please subscribe. Defendant's unopposed motion to continue jury trial. Comes now the defendant, Murd3r, by and through his attorney, files the unopposed motion to continue and states the following in support. The defendant is currently set for trial on December 11th in front of this honorable court, and with the final pretrial on December 7th. Defense counsel is working expeditiously to prepare the case, but cannot be ready for this trial setting. Defense efforts to be ready were substantially delayed by the reporter's inability to produce deposition transcripts taken by the prior counsel, requiring counsel to file a rule to show cause after months and months of waiting. Defense counsel finally received the first batch of transcribed depositions on September 27, 2023. In the meantime, counsel has coordinated and taken depositions from at least 1 officer, 1 gang detective, and 6 civilian witnesses that have not previously been deposed. There were 5 no-shows for civilian witnesses, will not be reset, and 1 continued for interpreter assistance. Approximately 10 depositions remain to be taken, conducted, and transcribed, including the medical examiner, 2 FLDLE witnesses, and 1 of the surviving victims. Additionally, and unfortunately, counsel has requested to take a redeposition of at least 3 critical witnesses, including the lead detective, as the questioning by prior counsel was, politely to rephrase it, inept, inadequate, and ineffective. The state and defense have been in discussions, and the state is in agreement to permit redeposition of the lead detective and is confirming their position with the remaining 2 detectives requested. More info can be provided at sidebar if the court wishes to inquire on this. Counsel is also working hard to examine multiple cell phone extractions with tons of social media files that are part of the voluptuous discovery provided, in addition to cell site location data. At the conclusion of the necessary witness depositions, counsel will have a better idea if any pretrial motions will be necessary heard prior to trial. As a result, counsel is respectfully requesting that the honorable court grant this request for a continuance of the trial date. Wherefore, the defendant, Murd3r, respectfully requests that this court grant this motion in all respects. The judge granted the motion, and Kshordy currently has a pretrial date of January 4th, 2024. Kshordy is being represented by a new attorney that passed the Florida bar in 1994 and has handled first-degree murder cases before. His website features several reviews from clients that call him an outstanding attorney that does a great job cutting through the BS and getting to the heart of the case. Please subscribe for future videos, as I'll be keeping up with Kshordy's trial.